Today I want to show you how to transfer nucs into full-size hives. Hello, I'm Griff Reese, welcome to Gwynedd Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. But today, down on the main site, just purchased some nucs that I'm going to breed from. The trailer is absolutely full to the brim. I got to put second supers on all these hives today, do some full inspections as well. But let's come show you my line of new nucs. This site's getting a bit too big now. Can't be far off 40 hives here between the nucs and the full-size hives. So down here, just purchased some nucs, buckfast strain. These are the breeds that I want to breed from. I'm going to build these up, split them, build them up, split them, and increase my numbers like that. Got some nucs down on the far end. They're ready to be placed in the full-size hives now as well. Some of them I've already done, some I'm going to do today. So I've got a lot of work on to do today. Going to be down here a fair few hours. But in this video I'll just show you really quick how to take bees from a nuc. Maybe you've purchased a nuc, they've come in a Cordex box. In this case they've come in a timber box and you want to transfer them over into a full-size hive. So I'm going to get the smoker lit suit on, crack on. First job, I'm going to put all these supers on the hives first, because I don't want the bees coming on the trailers to start robbing the wet supers. I want them to go straight on the hives out the way, and all the bees will cool down a little bit. It's really early to minute, must be about 9:30. Try and get this done before dinner. Let's get into it. Right, so trailer's empty of supers pretty much. Let's take it for a quick spin on the site. That one there, that's the biggest one. That's got 3 supers on, and everything else right down the line and round, 2 supers on. So I've started knocking nucs down into bigger brood boxes down here, but this is my biggest concern right now are these. So I've just put new hive stands in front of them. I'm going to start bringing the hives over, start bringing the bees into the boxes. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I've got my brand new hive here. Obviously doesn't need to be brand new, just in this case this is. And I've got new foundation in here too. So I've got 6 frames in here. There's 6 frames in there. So that's going to give us 12. So take those frames out, give myself a bit of space. Bring the nuc over. So the entrance here is pointing that way, and the entrance here is pointing that way. So when you transfer the nucs into a hive, the hive has got to be pretty much identical in the same spot. You can move a couple of feet, but you can't go much more than that. Shake the bees on the roof in. Good. So your nuc is going to look something like that. That's a good looking nuc, full. So it's 5 frame, not 6. So let's have to add an extra frame from the truck into this. And that's all you do. Start on one end, gently, gently. And have a look, see if we can see the queen. Ideally you want to see the queen when you're doing this. You don't have to, just gives you that extra peace of mind that she's actually been transferred in. Lovely quiet bees full of brood. And put it on the end and slowly just work your way through the box. Quick look for the queen. There she is. Bring her over to the camera. There she is, she marked blue. Lovely quiet bees, these buckfasts. That's why I purchased these in the breed from. So half my stock is half Welsh Black, half buckfast. Well, it's not quite half, it's more Welsh Black than buckfast at the minute, but I would like to get a lot more buckfast into the line, just to get a lot more honey in the hives, and obviously to deal with a lot less swarming. So there's a couple of bees left in there, literally upside down. Shake them in. Move that out the way then, so the bees don't try and fly back into there. Keep these frames in the middle, then fill back up with your empty frames. Spot on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Well, that's it. That's how easy it is to transfer a purchased nuc into your own hive. That's all I gotta do. Put the crown board on top of this now. Roof on, and that's job done. Now in about a week's time I'm going to come back, put a queen and sluder and a super on this, because they're going to get ready to start producing honey, and the queen will need that entire brood box for rearing brood, and they're going to want to push the honey up. But for this week now, that's it. That's all I need to do. Well, if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.